This is how you clean your Adventure 3 or 4 extruder. You need a stiff toothbrush. These little grooves in here get filled with filament eventually, and then it'll start slipping. So what you have to do is take a brush, and while it's printing, you just go like this. That's all. Just go like that while it's turning. And what will happen is all the little bits and pieces of crap will come out. You don't have to worry about it grabbing it and pulling it into the motor or anything. It's not going to happen. Alright, so once you do that, all the little bits of crap will be gone. And you should be good for a while. But you should try to do this. If you're printing heavily, you should probably do this maybe roll or so. And if you have a problematic filament like silk that loves to clog, doing this will really reduce the amount of lines you get in your print from under extrusion.